Gringo, fala pra nós, o que tu tá aprendendo no Brasil?
Não sei, amigo, vamos ver.
Baby, cê cola, que briga sua amiguinha que saiu da academia. Corpo malhadinho, assim é o que queria.
Tá piscando, tô gravando. Vamos. So I'm talking about muito tempo sem growl. Oh. Yeah, guys, I ain't popped the growl in so long, I don't even know what it is anymore. Look at that tiny little horse. Hello, Poco Cavallo. Let's see the... Yo! Hey, he's... Louco! Muito louco! Meu Deus! Você tem habilidades! Oi, qual é o nome dessa cidade?
É Minas do Leão.
Minas de Leão. Minas de Leão.
E aqui é o famoso Marcinho.
Ah,
As pessoas se juntam aqui pra conversar, beber. Vamos... Ai, meu Deus. Vamos embuchar
contar?
na outra cidade.
Vamos lá?
É pertinho.
Pertinho.
É perto.
Perto. Little bit close. Oh shit, meu flipping Deus, não! Meu Deus! She's blocking off! Cuidado, cachorros! Eu tenho cachorro! What the f*** are they carrying? God, that's brave. Oh, you can probably see over that on the Africa, you know. That's such a big bike to throw around. So crazy. Meu Deus! Oh, we doing the same thing. Oh, here we go. Where the fuck are we? Well, the gringo's in town, everyone, the exhaust is going mental. Meu Deus. In England, you have to do this when you go past horses, otherwise they go crazy. In Brazil, the horses are just fucking built different. I could go past that horse. No, it wouldn't even flinch. Qual é o nome da cidade?
Cidade é Butiá.
Utiá.
Butiá.
Utiá. Uchia. What is that? That looks alright in there. Right guys, we're in Uchia. Vamos ver. Ah, Vamos ver and I'll get shit in my eyes. Oh, look at him, the tiny one.
Pinto favorito do meu avô.
Ah,
Nemo.
É o Nemo o nome dele.
Nemo?
Nemo.
Nemo é peixe?
É, ele é...
Mas...
Sabe a história do Nemo? O Nemo tinha muitos ovos e nasceu só um, né?
Okay.
Lembra?
I think I got what she said because Nemo had like it was like a bad egg or something.
Olha, e
On
olha
the
isso, o mais louco.
Oh meu Deus, look, olha, there's a bird, parrot.
Com galinhas.
Com galinhas, louco.
Ela acha que é uma galinha.
Ele achou ele é uma galinha.
É.
Louco.
Muito louco.
Ele bom, ele meu favorito.
Queimei na lâmpada.
Look at this guy. Qual é o nome?
Qual é o nome?
Qual conta?
Oh meu Deus!
Vai, embora. É ela. Segura, você cagão.
Oh meu Deus! The flipping bird's escaping.
É que eu fico com medo de
He thinks he's a chicken.
Rapaz, você agarra ela. Ó, e outra, ela não belisca.
Hello, mate.
Tem a mão na boca dela. Ela não belisca, não.
Fala inglês?
Mas aí, gringo, fala pra nós, o que tu tá aprendendo no Brasil?
Nossa, amigo, vamos ver.
Baby, cê cola, que pica sua amiguinha que saiu da academia. Corpo malhadinho, a catacinha eu queria. Meiotão que sobe é só grauzão. Mas na vida, cê tropa a vida, cê vê minha vida. Pra cê ver como que é as coisas que o mundo não gira, meu bole capotar. Toma cota, uma bala na puta, teve que aturando a cor do pé na porta. Vários passados embolados na ponta do morro, correndo da rota. Hoje cantando as vivências, vendo que o bagulho foi ontem às horas. Lancei uma corda de ouro, a inveja o recalque tá foda. Vários sabores de ar, tanta bola de verdade. Aí brinquedo tá de brincadeira, chama dessas loucas pra fazer homenagem. Troca um papo, cola na grade, deixa viver, vai, bebê, cê cola. Pica sua amiguinha que saiu da academia. Corpo malhadinho, a catacinha eu queria. Meiotão que sobe é só grauzão. Mas na vida, cê topa a vida, cê vê minha vida. Pica sua amiguinha que saiu da academia. Corpo malhadinho, a catacinha eu queria. Meiotão que sobe é só grauzão.
Just your everyday ride to the gym in Brazil. Fucking crazy. It's all AI, by the way. No, fechado? Fechado? Meu Deus, olha!
Amigo, 2000, uma dessas.
It's got more zeros than it's got R's. It's CBR, eh? SP. Next thing, this guy's he's getting threatened. The guy's going crazy at him, saying, he said, what, you think you're bulletproof? He said, what the f you staring at? You think you're bulletproof? He said, shall I put this gun to your face and see if you're made of steel? And he was like, Victor's like, he's like, mate, like, calm down. What the f? He said, I wasn't even looking at you, like, relax. He said, no. He said, the scooper, he said, sorry, mate, but I ain't even looking at you. Obviously, you do not want problems with someone who's got nothing to lose in Brazil. The level of desperation can be crazy, and all you need is that one loopy guy who's at rock bottom on the wrong day, and yeah, he's pulling out a crusty pistol and blowing your head off for no reason. The other day, this guy was talking about his friend. He said, I think it was his friend. I think his friend got shot. Could be. I shouldn't really speak on it because I don't really. I'll probably get the story wrong. I'll try to find out. But yeah, rest in peace to his friend. Crazy. Some of the stories you hear out here is just mad. Hey, which one's the horn? Hey. Tem lugar atrás. I don't know how to say that. Atrás desse lugar. Atrás.
Mas como chega lá?
Não sei. Fuck, man. This is a problem spending this time on the bike. This bike is sick. I'm gonna film this quickly and then I'll load the camera back up. I'll bring you lot for the ride back to the crazy city. Guys, we gotta fly. I don't know if that's rain above me or what. I've got to fly to another city right now. We had to get that done though. I've got the maps. Onde? Esquerda? Eu não vi.
Aqui, ó, olha pra trás de mim.
Atrás? Ah, okay. Eu vi. I was thinking we was gonna run these lights as well, and there's police right there. So maybe he does know where to go. Esquerda! Esquerda! Esquerda ou esquerda? Não sei. I don't know. Conhece ele? Oi! Why is it saying 44 minutes? That cannot be right. Are we going to the right place? Oh! What the fuck is going on with his phone, man? This guy, I gave this guy a quad lock, but he needs the phone case for it. And he also don't have a vibration damper. You can't get, we couldn't get quad lock out here, but it costs you an arm and a leg. So expensive out here. That's why I stayed in the Airbnb. Oh. Where's he going? I don't know where he's going. He fucking loves that bike. So funny. Such a good bike though. It was his first time he rode one the other day. I think I've got the video on my YouTube. Right? Yeah. Okay, he knows where he's going. Getting a bit stormy out, boys. Fucking hell. Oh, look at that. I went the other way, went the wrong way the other day. And my friend on the back. Where is the horn on this? That's there. Oh, that's easy. It's not police now. Yeah, we went the wrong way over a bridge. And holy f, the area we ended up in was mad. Yeah, it was rough. Acabou. Muitas motos. Conhece ele?
07 também.
07? CB Mill. Oh, this is crazy. What's going on? Meu Deus. Hopefully there's no police there. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, Brazil is mental. Whoa, this bike is rapid. Look at that. Cool. Whoa. Eli no bom piloto. Ruim piloto. Eli.
Ei, coloca no Instagram lá, gringo Motovlog, tu vai ver.
Minha moto. Eli. É. Ream up on that's mad. I was supposed to be where I'm going to right now, hour and a half ago, and it's an hour and 20-minute ride, so a little 3 hours late. Never on schedule, but always on time. I arrive precisely when I'm supposed to arrive. Flipping hell, where's he off to? Oh. Little Brazilian trick. Ah, there we go, there we go, there we go. She's up. But we don't push limits and get carried away, guys. If you can't wheelie and you're learning, but you want to learn, don't get caught in the addiction. It's just addictive. You get it up and you just want to keep the wheel up and keep it up, but you got to put that down and go again. Eu preciso ir rápido. That doesn't make no sense. How is it ir? Eu preciso ir. I need to go. But vou is go. Vai is go. Yeah, that's gonna piss it down.
Here we are, where I came all them months ago, a year ago now. She's going back, and I'm going back to the UK. She's going back, and I'm going back.
Que pica sua amiguinha que saiu da academia. Corpo malhadinho, a gata assim é o que eu queria.